So from the east side of the garage, I just wanted to do a quick walk around to kind of retrace the path of that video I took a year ago where everything was puddled and muddy and ankle deep mud, all that kind of stuff, just to show the difference the system has made. This has been a wet year too. We've only had like 2-3 days of sunshine in a row. Like I don't know, it seems like since the beginning of October the sump pit has been draining constantly. It's just unbelievable how many hundreds and hundreds of gallons are going through that thing every day. And something really interesting, like this, you can kind of see the perimeter French drain here in the grass start with that white clean out cap there. That's 12 inches deep. I thought the 24-inch deep French drain around the garage would drain more than it does, but it doesn't. And my theory is this outer French drain and that berm and rock stream over there in the woods on the left kind of protect the garage and keep a lot of water from getting to it in the first place. Just a theory though, but I have a feeling in the spring now with the snow melt that we're going to have and the high groundwater, which is typically 4 to 6 inches below the surface, then that deep French drain is going to go crazy from March to June, but we'll see. We'll find out. Anyway, so we just had an inch of rain at least in the last 24 hours, and just rain for the last 2 months. And yeah, there's little teeny things like this, like a half an inch. It's just, and that's a low spot I knew I had. It's close to the French drain, a bit lower than the top of it, but it's going to go away. The same path here, there very little standing water. There's another low spot. French drain is right here. Here's the berm and rock stream. I have a feeling that got some action last night because there was a pretty heavy rain. Today is November 21st. There's a teeny little standing water in my neighbor's pines, but I think most of that would have cascaded down the rock stream. Anyway, keep going around the French drain. It's just, I'm pretty happy. This is all low spot here, but again, they're just, these have actually been about this wet all month. But this outer French drain line has kept this yard pretty dry now. I'm not walking through puddles anymore. I could actually run a mower back here. Oh, here's a puddle. Anyway, so the French drain kind of just curves through here and then goes into the pit there. Front rock stream is a tad wet here. I don't have this protected at all. The only thing protecting this whole area is the fact that that rock stream is dug deeper than the surrounding soil, so it in effect acts as a French drain. It's going to pull water from its immediate surroundings, but right here, that's a low spot. I don't care about that. There's the eject. It's muddy. I got, well, not muddy. The surface is solid. It's definitely wet as heck, but I'm not going ankle deep. That's the cool thing. So let's check the pit. It's obvious is what's going to be going on in here. there's the front garage line, the rear garage line, it also hooks up to the downspouts, and then the yard French drain. Going pretty good. I have not seen this yard French drain line stop since October 1st. A solid 7 weeks of draining. The rear garage line's been going pretty good too, for the last 2 months. This used to be a second lot, actually, and I think the plan was originally to build a house here. I cannot imagine a footer drain around an 8-foot deep basement. That would have been one wet house. Pumping pretty good still. And nothing, it's been down to 8 degrees already. Nothing's froze. So the fact that I allow about 8 gallons to roll back into this pit after the pump cycle has kept that tube free of ice. There, that was about the 8 gallons. So there you go. $11,000 and 6 months of work later. Next year, I want to do a permeable paver driveway here using the 16 by 24 inch turf stone, with a 6-inch layer of clear gravel or 3/4 inch stone underneath. Run a slotted line to here just to keep that whole thing dry, and then I can not have a muddy driveway.